Hi, I'm Andy Teach, host of Andy's Awesome Adventures, and welcome to the Bellagio on the Las Vegas Strip in Las Vegas, Nevada. Ever since the Bellagio was built by Steve Wynn and opened in 1998, this has been my #1 hotel casino in Las Vegas. It is elegant, it is classy, upscale, luxurious. There's many adjectives to describe it. But there are a few things that make this unique compared to other hotel casinos in Vegas and hotels around the world. Let's start with the #1 free show in the history of Las Vegas, the Bellagio Fountains. There's nothing like it anywhere else in Las Vegas. Then when you walk in the casino, you will see the glass sculpture. There's 2,000 handmade colored glass pieces to this ceiling sculpture. Then you have the Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Again, nobody does anything like that, and it's free just like the fountain show. And there's another fountain show that maybe is lesser known. It is the chocolate fountain. Inside the Bellagio is the tallest chocolate fountain in the world. The Bellagio was inspired by Bellagio in the Lake Como area in northern Italy. And both inside and outside, you feel like you're in Italy. And let me just say the gelato here, outstanding. Even better than I've had in Italy, that's how good it was. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the Bellagio. I'm going to show you the casino, the restaurants, the bars, the upscale shops, the pool area, my room, and a few other things. But before I do that, I want to thank my sponsor, AlertBot. AlertBot is a website monitoring service that gives you peace of mind while you travel. If your website crashes or your customers have trouble accessing your pages, AlertBot will notify you of the issue so you can quickly fix the problem. I use them for my own websites. AlertBot's clients include many top companies, including IBM, Sony, Disney, Chrysler, Travelocity, and MGM Resorts, to name a few, so you know you're in good hands. You can try this service for 14 days free by going to their website at alertbot.com. There's a link in the video description below. If you sign up for a monthly or annual plan with them, use my promo code AndysAwesome20 to save 20%. So without further ado, let us go inside and check out the Bellagio. Up above me is the Fiori di Como, 2,000 hand-blown glass flowers. It's beautiful. Now you've heard of breaking the glass ceiling. This is one time you do not want to break the glass ceiling. The glass sculpture covers 2,000 square feet of the lobby ceiling. It cost $10 million to create and weighs about 40,000 pounds. The glass is supported by a 10,000-pound steel frame. Every morning between 2 and 5 a.m., a team of 8 to 10 engineers cleans and maintains the sculpture. Every day, 15 to 20,000 people come to the Bellagio just to see the sculpture in the conservatory, which you'll see next. I am just inside the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. This is a must-see when you come to Las Vegas. There are different displays 5 times a year. It's basically the 4 seasons and the Lunar or Chinese New Year. So spring and summer are called spring and summer, fall is called harvest, and winter is called holiday. So one thing I would advise is to check the Bellagio website before you come to Las Vegas. Because even though there are 5 of these floral displays every year, it takes the horticulturist about 5 to 6 days to really change things over. So if you come here during that time, you're not going to see anything. So you want to come here before they switch it out or after they switch it out. But it is 5 times a year. The dates are up on the Bellagio website, so check it out. But like I said, this is a must-see when you come to Las Vegas. And I just turned around, and guess what? Right in back of me, the fitness center, spa, and salon. How convenient. So in back of me is another Bellagio fountain, a chocolate fountain. Not just any chocolate fountain, the tallest chocolate fountain in the world. Let me give you some fun facts. Here's one of them. All the chocolate you see circulating, it circulates for a year without being changed at all. Why? Because there is no water in the chocolate, and therefore it does not evaporate. Here's some more fun facts. The chocolate fountain circulates more than 2,100 pounds of melted milk, dark and white chocolate through 500 feet of pipes 24 hours a day at a rate of 120 quarts per minute. Designed by award-winning executive pastry chef Jean-Philippe Maury and Norwood and Antonia Oliver Designs Associates, Inc., the fountain took a year and a half in planning and design. It stands 27 feet tall, of which 14 feet is visible. 3 tanks of chocolate melt to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Do you think they'd be upset if I jumped in the fountain? I mean, it is tempting. The Bellagio Casino occupies approximately 120,000 square feet of space and has over 2,300 slot and video poker machines. Recently, a guest hit a jackpot of $259,000. No, it wasn't me. There are also approximately 135 table games. I used to play blackjack here a few years ago, but then they started to put in automatic shufflers where you can't see the cards being shuffled. I can't trust it if I can't see it. And besides, how is anyone supposed to count cards if the decks are continuously shuffled? Just kidding, Bellagio and Nevada Gaming Commission. Also, it looked like the minimum blackjack betting started at $25, and while the dealers do shuffle the cards at the higher minimums, that's too rich for my blood. Not surprisingly, the Bellagio has a lot of high-end, highly awarded restaurants, including Le Cirque with French cuisine, Lago by Julian Serrano with Italian cuisine, Mayfair Supper Club with contemporary American food, Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge, Prime Steakhouse, Picasso, which serves Spanish and French cuisine, Michael Mina features seafood and is located in the Conservatory, and Wolfgang Puck's Spago, which is located in the Via Bellagio shopping promenade, features his signature California fare, and also has an outdoor view of the fountains. There is also Noodles with contemporary Asian cuisine, and Jasmine featuring Chinese dining. You can also get less expensive but not cheap eats at the buffet, snacks, and Palio Cafe. I ate at Sadel's Cafe, which serves breakfast, brunch, and lunch, and I previously mentioned Cafe Gelato. Oh baby. The Bellagio doesn't have a lot of bars, but the ones it does have are very elegant and upscale. For entertainment, the Bellagio features the water-themed Cirque du Soleil show O, which has been performing here since the Bellagio opened in 1998. There's also the Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art, which is home to an ever-changing display of world-class art and has featured artwork by Andy Warhol and Picasso. It's time to work on your tan, so let's check out the pool area. The Bellagio features 5 pools, 2 larger ones and 3 smaller ones, and the way that the pool area is designed makes you feel like you're staying at an Italian villa. This does not have a party atmosphere. It's definitely more laid back and refined. Free seating is based on availability, but when it's crowded, you can reserve a Chase Lounge by the pool for $40 during the week and $60 on weekends. You can rent a daybed for $75 during the week and $125 on weekends, and a premium cabana goes for $200 on weekdays and $350 on weekends. You'd like to see my room? Come on up. Now, did Andy's Awesome Adventures get the strip view, the fountain view? No, as usual, we got the roof view. Actually, it'd be cool if I got a way to get out here. So let's take a bathroom tour of my room at the Bellagio. We have a nice big tub, if you want to take a bath, and we have double sinks. And a nice shower. Let's take a look. The cost. It was about $181 or so for the room with tax. Then they added $51 for the resort fee. So it was roughly $232 or something like that. I was here on a Thursday night, first week of March, right before NASCAR weekend. This Saturday is probably around $800 for one night. You know, this is a 5-star hotel, to me the best in Vegas. So how do you stay here? I wouldn't say cheap, but how do you stay here for maybe $200 something? I'm going to tell you the least expensive time of year to stay at the Bellagio as we walk through the Via Bellagio shopping promenade, which features very high-end shops. You can shop day and night. Perhaps the least expensive time to stay here during the year are the 2 weeks in December leading into Christmas. If you stay here midweek during this time, your costs will be under $250 per night, including taxes and resort fees. The downside is that it's cold during that time of year, especially at night. Plus, most of the shows in Vegas go dark, meaning that they are closed as that is the time of year that people working on shows go on vacation. However, you'll get to stay at a very luxurious 5-star Las Vegas hotel, a stay you will not soon forget. You've seen many reasons why the Bellagio is viewed by some as the #1 Las Vegas hotel casino, as it is the embodiment of Las Vegas luxury. But there's one more reason which puts it on top: its location. It's mid-strip on the best real estate in Las Vegas. On one side you have the Cosmopolitan and City Center featuring Aria. On the other side is Caesar's Palace. Across the street is Paris, Planet Hollywood, and Bally's, which is now the Horseshoe. You can also take the free tram from Bellagio to Aria Vidara, the shops at Crystals, and Park MGM. If you've stayed at or have visited the Bellagio, please let us know your thoughts in the comments section, and let us know if you think the Bellagio is the #1 hotel casino in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching, and Viva Las Vegas!